Beneath the vast and endless blue sky, I hear my heart call out a gentle dream. So many days worries held me back. Today I choose to walk on light and free. Let every burden drift away with the wind. I believe in myself, no more fear within. I am a bird flying high in the sky. No chains to bind me, no magic required. Through storms I soar, through tears and sighs. Freedom calls my name, and still I fly. I am a bird that won't turn back, following the light within my heart. Though the world may change in countless ways, I keep on flying, flying in love. Some roads are hidden under mist and gray. Sometimes my heart feels lost and torn, but deep inside the fire still burns, reminding me, don't give up today. Every scar is a lesson learned. Every fall brings dreams closer. I am a bird flying high in the sky. No chains to bind me, no magic required. Through storms I soar, through tears and sighs. Freedom calls my name, and still I fly. If one day the sky has lost its sun, I'll still fly on with faith so deep. As long as my heart still longs and burns, nothing can cage a bird so free. I am a bird flying high in the sky, spreading hope across 1,000 stars. I fly for today, I fly for tomorrow, for dreams that forever shine and last. Between